Hello everyone, welcome to Kokrajhar Tea Estate, Assam, Northeast India.
माबायदि मोनो साहा बागानाव खामानि मावनानै
गैया मावनांगौ जानानै फैयो नालाय
About Kokrajhar Tea Estate. From my visit, I learned that this tea estate existed since British era. It is approximately 70 to 80 years old.
इस कंपनी का नाम कोकराझार टी एस्टेट है। ये विजिट बस टी कंपनी के अंडर में आता है।
और ये कितना पुराना हो गया ये चाय बागान कोकराझार का?
काफ़ी पुराना है, 170 या 80 के करीब है।
Types of tea produced in this tea factory. I came to know that 3 types of tea are produced in this tea factory. First is green tea, second is CTC tea, third is orthodox tea. All these 3 variants of tea are produced from the same bush, but only the making process is different. What is the process? How do you categorize it? The tea bush is same for 3 different variants, only the making process is different. Like for instance, green tea can be produced in 1 day itself, but CTC takes 2 days. Again, these 3 variants are divided into several qualities. The more upper portion is the bud, the more fine is the quality of the tea. The bush is divided into several categories like number 1, 1 bud leaf, number 2, 2 bud leaf, number 3, 3 bud leaf, number 4, 4 bud leaf and more.
9 days में आ जाता है
तो आराम से हाथ से आ जाता है।
ये इसको ये जाने से
कितना गया ये
ये कैसा लग रहा है?
वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड वेरी हैप्पी यही तो चाय के बागान में घुस जाने वाले हैं
What is the current situation of Kokrajhar tea estate production? Due to COVID-19, the production of tea in Kokrajhar tea estate has been affected. Currently, they are producing only green tea and the production of CTC and orthodox is on hold. The production of green tea is faster than CTC. Green tea takes only 1 day to complete its process, but CTC takes 2 days.
কিমান বছৰ হ'ল আপোনাৰ ইয়াতে? 20 বছৰ? কেছি তুলতে আপোনাৰ দিগদাৰ নহয় দিনত?
কোনো ৰকম একে যেনে তেনে তুলিবই লাগিব, নহ'লে তো হাজিৰাটো ক্লিয়াৰ কৰি নিদিব নহয়।
Can you directly buy tea from this Kokrajhar tea estate? And the answer is no. It is because this Kokrajhar tea estate has only tea garden and processing unit. But the marketing office is at Kolkata. The staff and the workers working under this tea estate are only the employee under the company which is situated in Kolkata. So they do not have the power to sell directly from this tea estate. So the demand and order list comes from the marketing office Kolkata. For young entrepreneurs, there is a huge gap between the buyer and the supplier. Many buyers want to buy directly teas from the indigenous tea growers of Assam. There are many tea estates in Assam, but most of the tea estates are owned by the companies situated in outside Assam. So the young entrepreneurs from Assam can grab this opportunity and create a platform where they can directly connect the buyer to the indigenous sellers of Assam.
I got